My name is Matt Zastapel, and I am an additive manufacturing specialist here at EAC. So I help our customers bring 3D printing solutions in-house to save time and money over outsourcing. So a little bit about EAC. Our mission here is to transform the way companies design, manufacture, connect to, and service their products. So we do this by offering engineering and design services, CAD, and PLM solutions from PTC. We offer assessments and IoT solutions to help companies define a strategy of getting products smart connected. And we do offer an affordable, easy to use 3D printing solution that makes it easy to bring additive manufacturing in-house. So welcome to our demo suite. Behind me here, I have a few of our SLA printers. We have the Form 3L right here, and then we have the smaller one, the Form 3 back there. All right, but the big things I wanted to dive into today are our new materials, our brand new build platform 2, and the large washing cure. So we are now introducing BioMed Black and White Resin. BioMed Black and BioMed White Resin are medical grade materials ready to fuel innovation in medical manufacturing. So the BioMed Resin family is targeted for a wide range of healthcare applications, really helping advance 3D printing for the medical device and point of care manufacturing, and also providing new possibilities for the wider healthcare community. So these resins are for printing rigid and biocompatible parts. But really excited to add these two new resins to our fleet. Feel free to reach out if you'd like a sample print of either one of these. All right, and then moving on from our new resin materials, we are introducing the brand new Build Platform 2. So the Build Platform 2 will have the quick release technology that allows you to quickly and easily remove parts from the build platform without tools in seconds. So the platform really eliminates the risk of damaging your part and streamlines your workflow. So it releases all parts on the print surface at the same time, as you can see in this clip. So I'll play this clip for you guys. Look how easy that is. So it's really going to help a lot of customers with their parts and save a lot of time. So I'm really excited to get these out to everyone. Just a heads up, our lead time right now is about 5 months at the moment, but we are taking orders right now. All right. Lastly, the large wash and cure. So I know a lot of people have been asking for, and now orders are currently shipping. So a lot of cool new features here. Set it and forget it. It'll have pre-programmed wash settings on it. Also now a one size fits all. The large wash can fit one Form 3L build platform or two Form 3 platforms. So this is going to save a lot of time on the back end. And then the large cure, it'll have a preset feature. So depending on what material you are printing with, you can select the material and it adjusts the settings for you automatically. All right, so that's a wrap. That's kind of what I had for you guys today. Thanks everyone for joining me. If you'd like to reach me after we close, feel free to visit us at the website or send me a direct email. But if you are local to the Minneapolis area, I want to invite you to come in and see our demo suite in person and meet with me. With that, I hope everyone has a great rest of the day, and thank you again for spending some of your afternoon with me. Cheers.